Hello guys, and this is Yoke, so the father got the Honeycomb Aeronautical that's covered with that. Without the Yoke, and then go. Okay, I got things because I thought Honeycomb was like sounding and talking. So, except when you're hey, this is I think cranks like cranks and this has been relaxed. That time. I think cranks same aspect like that things but I got like 1,000 counts against which is shocking. So I got things because I'm getting texting and I don't want to extract that. I don't get some text extract like the tiring or the gathering and the thing. But right, I have the and then okay. So kind of saying let's get the clicking. So we got something on. Okay, well, it's the I'm guessing. So yeah, so that's okay. The drink. Also, the garden. So I can try and garden and the garden or out garden. But I didn't like touch that synced outline the garden. This happens. It sounds like dust. Okay. Just look like things. So what I can do? Something okay. That's the garden. Okay. One of that's that's the ring. It's like also and I'm gonna fly home. So this is the garden. Next I think it takes eggs. So right, that's got line. So the this that. Yeah, I should get after that. Okay. So I got borrowing the content. Okay, right. So I got that. We can still have a cocktail. So this thing's a cocktail. Yeah, I don't like the cocktail. So I can't. Okay. Right. Don't get tight. Okay. Okay. Yes, I think I'm so strong. I can't do that. The stinks like that. I think the aspects. So this is the president of the acting. Okay, so this is going wrong. Control house. That's alright. So it's like kind of like sideways. This guy gets buried. And Aspect gets, I think, I don't think. So this is the right. This is right. The president I can't do that spirit. Yeah, but I think that is the aspects. I think that I designed something that I can still use it. Aspects. Yeah, it's got to. I hope to get this egg. This is like right. Yeah. So then I got cakes. Okay, so let's see. I can get the egg next thing. So I think what I'm gonna do is get to that. Okay, so this is I think the current. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm probably gonna try to get an earring. Cause I'm considering that's fine. Yes. So this is some okay. Alright. This is frustrating. I haven't for a something. Something up the rank. I think Karen. Probably like getting a good tank and two. So this makes sense. Okay, so I got that thing. I got that thing. Things like that. So I think that thinks how to get dunk and then thinks go going. It's the thing that that's all things. Well, that's why I click to things and grab that. This is like Frank's. I think it's essentially. I don't know the thing, the train, the train, next train goes wrong. But I think next time I can do the things, I think that thing. Well, this, but 20 drawings, like, equipment, and I think there's like sometimes like I don't want to get the ducks coverings at the bottom. It's like but God is anything to that's something. I think that so extension, I think that's stuck on, right, that's cool. But doesn't feel, I don't think that's the thing, I think that's it. That's doing at the time, that's right, and it's okay, you like things. Take care, I think. Bye.